What if your email's sent at exactly the right time for the customer to open and engage with your email? This might sound impossible, but you can do this with Smart Send inside of HighLevel. This allows us to send thousands of emails through our email campaigns and make sure that they get delivered at the exact right moment. Let me show you how it works. Now we can create our email campaigns by going to Marketing, Emails, Campaigns, and then from here, when we go to create a new campaign, whenever we get to our send or schedule step, we can go here, and then instead of sending now or scheduling through any of these options, we can click Smart Send here. This will then first check our eligibility. Now this is important. You can only do this if you've sent over 1,000 emails in the past 60 days on your HighLevel account. So keep that in mind. But then once you scroll down here, we can see Smart Send, and we can click Get Suggestion to see when our email is most likely to perform best. It will then give us our best time recommendation here, and we can either click I'll choose a date to select a date manually when we're going to send our emails, or we can click try a new suggestion for it to rerun the process and find, let's say, the second or third best times to send our emails. And once that's set up, as long as we have our subject line and our contacts selected here, we can click Review and Schedule, and then this will send out that email at the right time for our customers. Now, the coolest part about this is back in our email marketing manager, we can go to campaigns next to our statistics and select one of our sent email campaigns right here. And we can click the three dots here and then click statistics to view the specific statistics for this email campaign. We can then click load more statistics, and this will show our complete engagement summary of this campaign per usual. But when we use Smart Send, we'll see our Smart Send impact. Now, a couple of things to know. A, this only works if you've sent at least 1,000 emails in the past 60 days on your HighLevel sub account. B, whenever you schedule the Smart Send to send to your entire contact list, you can reschedule it before it actually goes out. So unlike some other features, this one actually gives you the ability to cancel or reschedule when it's sending once you've scheduled it. So if you schedule it and you want to change it later, don't worry. This is an awesome feature, and I really hope you start using this inside of your email campaigns to see that improvement by using Smart Send. Now, if you have any questions about this, feel free to drop them in the comments or refer to the Smart Send help doc. As always, my name is Andrew. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you very much for watching.